guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, spring is here, so it has to be a very colorful, bubbly, bright makeup look. By the way, if you are wondering about my makeup, it will come on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. The handle name will be here and also the handle link will be in the description box. So if you want, you can follow me there for like more makeup videos. Anyways, so in today's video I am going to talk about sunscreen because spring is almost going to be end and summer is like coming. So the main important skincare for this, it has to be a sunscreen. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so when it comes to sunscreen, we have to keep two things in our mind. First, it has to be like इसका SPF जो है it has to be more than 30, and second, that sunscreen should protect your skin from UVA and UVB rays both. Today I am going to talk about and reviewing this product. This is Wow newly launched sunscreen and it has SPF 55 in it, and ये launch किया है just 1st March को. So yeah, it's very new and I'm so excited to give you review my thoughts. If you want to buy this or not, now it's totally up to you. Okay, so first you need to know why you need to use sunscreen. I will discuss about it later, but let me just tell you a little bit that sunscreen basically protects your skin from any kind of a skin damage which can occur for like sun rays and UV rays. So it protects from like aging, wrinkles, fine lines, and also tanning to hair, tanning and like scars on your face, pollution and so many things. So we generally don't use sunscreen, right? Like we focus more over like serum, moisturizer, night cream, day cream and all that, but trust me guys, if you need to focus only one skincare product, it has to be sunscreen. If you know me, then you might be know that even like it's a wedding occasion at night, I use sunscreen and my sister used too. So yeah, sunscreen is very important because it actually sunscreen also protect your skin from like harmful light. जो wedding पे जो big lights होते हैं वहाँ से भी radiation आता है and that also can harm your skin. If you won't believe that phone से जो radiation आता है, computer से जो radiation आता है, that can also harm your skin and that actually causes like breakouts and pimples and acne. Now back to this sunscreen, which is Wow sunscreen, and it has SPF 55 in it. So generally one SPF means 10 minutes of protection. So yeah, it has SPF 50 in it, so moreover it will protect like more than 5 to 6 hours, so which is great. Like if you have a long day, so just throw it in your purse and you are good to go. There are thousands of sunscreen from like very different brand. Some are like very famous, so why सबको छोड़ के ये? So now I'm going to tell you about the ingredients and why you need to use especially this, because this is not only a sunscreen like sunscreen, it will actually treatment for your skin because it has so many goodness of like beautiful ingredients that it will not only protect your skin from UV rays, also rather than that it also protect your skin and also it will nourish your skin. Okay, so the main ingredients of this product is raspberry extract, which is loaded with lots of antioxidant and vitamin C that actually helps you to remove like black patches from your face. So not only it's a sunscreen and also it will help to remove black patch from your face, and also it has of course natural sun blocker which will actually protect your skin from any kind of like sun damage and pollution and also UV rays. So it has carrot seed extracts, which is very new for a sunscreen. Like I haven't used any kind of sunscreen which has carrot seed extract in it. Carrot seed extract is basically rich with vitamin A and E, and that helps to diminish your age of like signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines and smile lines. I'm not saying that it will like totally remove your signs of aging because it's supposed to made to protect your skin, not like for an anti-aging product. But yes, regularly using it, you can see a difference in your aging sign, and also it's basically protect you to like और भी ज़्यादा signs of aging ना दिखे, like fine lines, wrinkle ना दिखे, it actually locks. And also it has avocado oil which has vitamin E in it, and that will help you from like tanning. Like ये tanning नहीं होने देगा, and also it will like remove your tan from your face slow by slow. So yeah, moreover it's like your skin treatment, like not like your regular sunscreen. So yeah, you can totally use it as your like normal moisturizer rather than sunscreen. this, you can search like more sunscreen, and I can assure you that you can't find any other sunscreen like it, especially because it has so many of nutrition in it. By the way, I forgot to tell you that this is absolutely a non-sponsored video. I generally don't do sponsored review video. I love to do like more of a non-sponsored review video. So yes, ingredients are great, and also I think you know that Wow's all products are cruelty free, paraben free. They are strict to like no animal test. They hate that actually. They don't have chemicals in like कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में उनका केमिकल नहीं है. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द एप्लीकेशन, हाउ कैन यू यूज इट, एंड आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस प्रोडक्ट हाउ यू विल फील. सो या, नाउ इट्स टाइम for application. So first you can see that it has a seal in it, which is great. It will not give you any leakage, and also it has like a open and stop button. And now how to use it, you just need to pump थोड़ा सा sunscreen, because this sunscreen feels very like thick. This is a thick sunscreen, this is not a liquid sunscreen. You can see that. And also you need to apply it on all over your face and body, and when I am applying it, you can see that it's like blending like magic. It feels very thick, but when you'll apply it on your face, it will turn like a powder. It will give you a mattifying finish. And also it's preferable like आप जब sun exposure पे जाओ उससे 15 to 20 minutes पहले आप इसे इस्तेमाल करो. And also the best part of this product is that you have seen that it has like a non-greasy and non-oily formula, which I love. And also it doesn't give you any white cast. Generally if you have like a dark and beautiful chocolatey skin tone, sunscreen can give you like a disgusting white cast. No matter what skin color you have, if your sunscreen gives you like a bad white cast, I hate that. And like 80% of sunscreen do that, but for this sunscreen it doesn't give you any white cast. You have seen me on my bare face and without no filter and all that. And you have also seen that it is like a non-greasy formula. It has non-greasy formula, and also it is like quick absorption formula. It has, when you will blend it, you might feel that it's giving you a white cast, but absolutely not. The moment you will completely blend it, you can see a beautiful flawless skin. So yeah, this is my final review. If you if you ask my review, I will suggest that if you want to buy sunscreen, buy particular this. Wow has like lots of other sunscreen also. They have like a spray bottle ka sunscreen, which I don't like. Honestly, I am not a huge fan of this because that is so oily, and I have oily skin problem. So yeah, that is not for me. Maybe you like it, but I don't like it. But I love this. Okay, I completely love this, especially for the packaging, the formula, the way of looking it on my face. And yeah, that's why I completely suggest you. And it cost 499 rupees. So yeah, you can totally try it, and I highly recommend you. If I am not wrong, it's like 100 ml, and they have 200 ml also. So I will suggest that first try the 100 ml one, then invest on the 200 ml. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked it. And also I will highly suggest you that if you don't want to buy this particular sunscreen, it's totally up to you, but at least try sunscreen. You have to use sunscreen. Like it's summer coming, and you have to use sunscreen no matter what season. You have to use sunscreen, which I have learned from my journey. And that's why I highly encourage you to buy any sunscreen, but especially this one. So yeah, see you on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay safe, stay positive, and yeah, bye bye.